Toyota's U.S. manufacturing presence is expanding again to meet growing demand for hybrid vehicles. Fresh off the announcement of Toyota's recent commitment to invest up to $10 billion in the U.S. over the next 5 years, the company unveiled the first wave with a $912 million investment, adding 252 new jobs across 5 manufacturing plants to increase hybrid capacity and bring hybrid electric Corollas to its production lineup.
We recently announced a $10 billion investment across the U.S.
This investment in Toyota's plants in West Virginia, Kentucky, Mississippi, Tennessee, and Missouri further builds on the company's ongoing commitment to reinvesting profits in its U.S. operations.
It broadens our capability to meet that customer need, but honestly, it's also an investment in new technology.
Toyota West Virginia President Dave Rozier took West Virginia Senator Shelley Capito and U.S. EPA Administrator Lee Zeldin on a tour to share details on how the investment will benefit the company, its customers, and the regional community.
Toyota is leading, and I think that it would be exceptional for others to follow that lead, believing in, investing in the United States, believing in the American auto worker.
This is an enormous investment in Toyota West Virginia. We've proven ourselves time and time again, the 2,000 people that work here, the quality product, dedication to making sure that Toyota, when it rolls off in final form, is absolutely the best there can be.
At Toyota West Virginia, we'll see a $453 million upgrade, adding 80 jobs. Currently, Toyota assembles about half of the vehicles it sells in the U.S., with North American manufacturing facilities assembling more than 76% of the vehicles it sells in the U.S.
That expansion will, I think, lead to much longer life, more people employed, more community and economic development. It's an enormous welcome event here in West Virginia.
Toyota's multi-pathway powertrain approach continues to drive steady growth in electrified vehicles, which now account for nearly 50% of the company's U.S. sales. This is Sonia Azad.